Hi everyone, so I'm back to share some projects with you. So I've made these journal starter kits, that's what I'm calling them. So I've got two here. They will be for sale in my shop, and everything in my shop at the moment is on sale. There's about £10 off everything that I'm listing right up until the end of October. And I've also got a digital sale which requires a code, which is I'll put that below, that'll be easier. So digital stuff has got a code, and these are just on sale, so you don't need a code to buy any of the journals. So right, let's get cracking. There's two, they're the same, so I don't need to show you both. We've got a journal. It's just a plain blank journal. It's just coffee dyed paper. I don't know the measurements because I didn't write nothing down. It is 7.5 by 4 3/4. There's 20 pages front and back in this, you know, and literally if you're to add all these things to it and separate them all, there's going to be quite a lot of bulk to that if you plan to do that. Okay, so that is the journal, and it's the same with the other one. The papers that I've used, please excuse my throat. I don't know if it's an allergy. I don't really feel that like I'm well, but I think I've got an allergy to dust and things, and I'm kind of losing my voice with it, which some people may think is good. But anyway, the papers are from, I've used lots of different things, and I'll mention it as I go through everything. This is from MyPorchPrints, and it's called the Rose Garden collection or kit. The paper that I use for the journal is from the Journal Bolt. Okay, then I made like a little altered envelope. This is like a DL sized envelope, and again I used the papers to cover it. I have used from the Journal Bolt, and this is from MyPorchPrints. This is a freebie on my coffee shop, I think. Yeah, I think it's on the coffee shop. Everything's been backed as well, and this is MyPorchPrints. So is that, I think that's all from the Rose Garden kit collection. It's not actually a journal kit, it's just like an ephemera digital kit. Then these are freebies on my coffee shop, and you get 4 on a page, and they are bigger than this, but I had printed like 2 to a page because I wanted them smaller. So that goes in there. This fits perfectly on a page if you wanted to do that. Okay, so set that there. Then there is these tags that I made this with. I have got a video somewhere on my playlist of how to do this. It's easy peasy. 2 tags, you wrap one around the other. The tags are from ARTYmaze's Builder Cluster tag kit. This, I think, is some of the ephemera I've used is from the Journal Bolt as well. Can't remember what kit. This is from ARTYmaze, and this could be possibly a freebie. I can't remember. And that goes in there like so. It came out, so it's going back in. Okay, and then inside there we have this again. I think that's a freebie from ARTYmaze, and another tag which you could alter, dress up, do whatever you like with it. So there's that, and that could fit perfectly onto a page like so. Then we have this. I done a video yesterday on this. Now I've made these before, but I haven't made them like as floating pockets. I've kind of just made them to like glue into the page. So this one is like a belly band, so it comes off, and that is the paper from the bottom of that. And I didn't talk while I done the video because of my throat yesterday, because it was quite sore. But the papers that I used are digitals. These are from ARTYmaze, and it's from her, let me take everything out and I'll show you. I think I printed it just slightly smaller than the actual size, and then trimmed the bit that I trimmed off. This bit was obviously there without that piece on it. Trimmed that off to create the belly band, and then just folded it in. But what I'll do is I'll link this on the screen at the end, so you can journal inside that if you keep it as a floating pocket. If you didn't want to keep it as a floating pocket, you could just glue that down here. So glue along there, put that down, and then glue along there and glue that down, and you could just glue that on. I mean, you could actually glue that on like that, so that you could actually glue it right down if you wanted to, but obviously I've done it as the floating pocket with the belly band. This is from the journal book. The tag is from ARTYmaze, which is the Build a Cluster tag kit. This is from the journal book, and I think it's called Love Bloom or something like that. This is also from the journal boat. So this is kind of like a shabby little kit, like all of it together. It's like got a shabby feel to it. And again, this is from the journal boat. And like I said, again, if you wanted to, you could put that on a page like so. Alright, so that's that. And then finally, this I personally wouldn't like glue it into the book, but it's a little like mini trifold, and the paper that I used again to create it, and I printed this on cardstock, is from the journal boat. Let me just turn that around, hopefully everything doesn't slide around like so. And obviously I folded that up to create these pockets, and then inside, well actually let me talk about this. I just glued a doily. I've put some material across here. You see the doily there. This is from MyPorchPrints, and move that out of the way. And inside there we've got the pockets, and I've left them like that because see, when you fold them, I think if you glue them down, they kind of get all bulky, if that's the right word. Then here we have some more tags from ARTYmaze, Build a Cluster tag kit. Postcard here from MyPorchPrints, and this is a freebie from my coffee shop that will be linked below. We've got a stamped tag in here, and these are from MyPorchPrints from the Rose Garden ephemera kit. Then here, this is a freebie from my shop, my coffee shop, MyPorchPrints, ARTYmaze. And then here you've got a little bit of room to stick something down or put some lined paper, do some journaling, and like you could just simply like put that in with a paper clip or something. And I've just done the fabric, just I kind of tore that off like a big old sheet. The things I've been finding in my loft, material wise, I've got quite a lot of material I can use. Need to wash some more of it. I've been washing some of it as well. So that's what I've made, and like I said, there is 2 of them, and they will be available in my shop if you're interested. I will, like I said, everything that's for sale from now, well yeah, from now until the 31st will have like a discount on it, and the digitals, I'll put the code sorry for that below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks very much for watching. Bye.